y'all, do y'all remember this chair? Remember this chair was $75. This is a $300 chair. And I was second guessing myself. Today is my lucky day. I just got here and I was in the area and I said, oh God, let me see. Guess what? I think she might be going home with me. We're gonna see, okay? So beautiful. Alright guys, I am here. Actually, y'all see my little baby in the back? Oh, I did make it. Okay. Y'all, the chair actually cost me $30 instead of $40. And I felt like at first, nah, don't get it. But I had to think, you know, I do right by my money. All my bills are paid that I have to do. Where am I gonna park at? Can I park here? I am currently at, oh, here's one closer. I am at we'll go back to what I was talking about in a second, but I am actually at another Habitat for Humanity restore that I have been looking for. Let me see, let me put y'all right here. Hopefully y'all stay there. Hold on, y'all, hold on. Okay, I'm back. What I was saying was I was looking for this restore, Habitat for Humanity. This is the largest one in, well, not my community, but in another community. And so when I left from getting the chair, I said, well, let me just go ahead and look, since I'm on this side of town, for the other store, since I have the paper in here. Because actually, I'm looking for a door, you guys, for the office. And then I'm done. I'm so done. But what I was saying was, at first I was not going to get the chair, y'all, but I felt like, seriously, in my heart, that I actually was led. That chair was made to get it because y'all know I was looking for a chair, right? And like I said, I just happened to be in the area doing work and the chair was right there. And for her to give it to me instead of 40, she gave it to me for 30 because she seen where it had to be wiped off. But brand new chair, y'all, $300 for $30. I'll take it any day. I'm so grateful. So I'm gonna go into this restore place and see if they have any doors that I need. I got the right size this time. And I'll see you guys later, or I'll see you when I get home. Wow, guys, this is a really big one. They said you can, actually I was told that you can fit this store, the old store that I usually go to. They said you could fit the old store inside this store multiple times. So we're gonna see, but oh gosh, y'all, it's so large. This is a big store. This is a big store. Oh my gosh, look at this stuff. This stuff is really nice. What they want for this? I can't see without my glasses on, but I don't need it, but I just wanted to show y'all how big the store is. And I'm gonna go ahead and look for doors. And yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Look, y'all. That's beautiful. But y'all already know she ain't getting nothing. She's getting her door if they have it, and she's gone. So I'll see you guys once I get home. Guys, they did not have what I needed. They had some that was like that, but not exact. But the lady who had helped me, I made sure her name was Miss Coco, that they knew that they had a good employee. Sometimes you have to let people know stuff, y'all. We don't give credit and honor when it's due, you know? So anyway, long story short, the lady went beyond and out of her way to help me, and I really appreciated that, and I wanted them to know. So I went in the office. One of the guys took me to the office where the manager was at so I can let him know, because I'm thinking like, honey, and she was willing like to write a ticket, y'all, and give me a door for $5. She did not have to do that, but I did not find a door, which was okay. Today just wasn't the day, but I do know in the future that door is gonna come to me. I know it is. The right size and everything. I made sure y'all had to dig out my measurements and everything. So just wanted to come back and pop in and let you guys know I did not find the door. And I am on my way home now, and I will see you guys when I get there. All right. Y'all, I'm super, super happy. She got it in here. She got it in here. But, well, they took off the screws for me, which was a blessing to put it back there. But I thought it was going to be hard for me to get it in here. But she's in here, and I'm blessed because I just looked, and you can unscrew so you can wash. So I'm happy about that. But in the meantime, y'all, before my phone go dead, I'm probably going to have to come back because I'm just now getting in here, getting my things put away. So, all my stuff for lunch, my coffee this morning for breakfast. So I'm going to come back. But before I go, I want to show y'all something really quick that I'm super happy about. Guys, it is a blessing. Trust me, it is a blessing to be a plant mom. Oh my gosh, it's a blessing to be a plant mom, y'all. Look at this bathroom. She's super excited. But let me show y'all something really quick. I'm going to set y'all down here because she's super excited about something. Hold on so I can show y'all real quick before this phone go dead. And then I had to come back. But y'all remember, hold on, let me see. Stay right there. Please stay right there. Okay, hold on, y'all. Do y'all remember my monstera leaf? Guys, look. She's got roots. She's finally got the roots. It's been like 2 months. Y'all look. Do y'all see the 2 roots? Look, 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 look. Look very closely. Hold on. Let me show y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all look. Oh my God. Look, one there and one here. I'm so excited. I'm going to have 2 monstera Swiss cheese plants. Yay. Y'all, shout out to plant moms. You got to do what you got to do. But don't lose hope and don't lose sight of these plant babies, okay? I forgot to tell y'all something too, y'all. Love yourself so that you be able to love others so this world will be a much better place. But guys, I'm going to come back because I'm going to wipe this chair down really, really good. Although in the store, they wiped her down with disinfectant wipes because the little stuff that I showed y'all, that's nothing. It's a brand new chair. It's nothing but like people have moved it and rubbed it on the floor. So yeah. So I'm grateful for that. But we'll come back because I'll show you guys the chair when I'm finished wiping it down. I'm back, and then we're going to end this video because she's tired. It is 6:05 in the evening right here, and she's getting ready to make her a tuna. I guess you would call it a tuna melt, but ain't gonna be no bread. I'm gonna just lay it on some spinach. I'll show y'all in the card. So follow me on Instagram, simply_natural_black, and you will see it there. But y'all look at this. Do y'all see this? I broke my fingernail. She's mad. Look at that, y'all. Look how long that is. Can y'all see that? Okay, I'm kind of pissed right now, but it's just a nail. But I was sitting here watching. I was trying to watch. This is the Royal. Y'all know that channel, the Royal Family. I think it's how you Dominique and Tierra Royal. I like the channel. Just shout out to them. Just giving somebody else some support. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys this chair because I already wiped her down, sprayed her down, and I also vacuumed it. And yeah, let me show y'all real quick. So look, here is the price right here, 40 for 30. Just want to let y'all know, she don't be lying to y'all about nothing. I'm glad you guys were there when I seen it because that was just today and y'all witnessed it yourself. So you seen it. So yeah, so I have nothing to hide. I don't have to lie. Some people on their channels, they be lying y'all about stuff. I'm just being for real. But she don't tell lies on this channel. I want you guys to like this channel, subscribe to this channel, share this channel with everybody you know. And y'all, I'm done with this house. I'm done. Need the door in the office. The ceiling got to be done. 2 more things. I'm so happy, y'all. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. But I'm going to turn this camera around, show you guys, and then we got to go. Okay? So turn the camera around, and we're going to go ahead and put our chair where we want her. So she still has to dry some, but I'm going to put her right here. I think she's pretty right there. And then we're going to go ahead and put her stuff on it. Y'all, so this is the Studio McGee cream chair, $300 chair. And to be honest, somebody returned this on, they returned this on 7/4. I don't know if you guys can see that. They returned it on this tag right here. They returned it on 7/4. Can y'all see that? And today is August the 4th. So actually just 1 month ago, they returned a $300 chair. And I got the chair for $32. That's with the tax, okay? So let's get this pillow over here. Y'all, look at that. Let me take that off of here. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Look how wide she is. Oh my gosh, y'all. I will catch you guys in another video. Please let me know, what do you think about this chair, y'all? She is absolutely beautiful. I don't know, y'all. I never thought I would find that chair. I just didn't. Not for this price, but I'm excited. But outfit of the day, if you guys didn't see it, I had on my black flip-flops. You seen in the video? But guys, look at this chair. Oh my gosh. I will throw in a clip. I will throw in a clip of how it looks. Guys, that is it for now. I love you guys so much. Like, comment, share, subscribe, like I said. Like the channel, don't like the channel, I don't know. But I love you guys. I love you so much for watching and being a light to anybody who watches. Okay? I'll see you next one. Bye, y'all. Be blessed now.